Hello, Vita. Good morning. How are you? I hope that you all are fine and doing well. So, in previous videos, we have seen about the menstruation part. Okay, and as I told on last time, what the remaining portion of the menstruation that we will discuss in the next video. So, students, as it is visible already on the board, that you can see very easily. Only I have to display. Only I have to explain. Okay. So before proceeding, as it is as usual, what you have to do? Simple, use your headphone for the better listening and experiencing. Take out the textbook and proceed ahead. So, say students, first of all, first topic we will discuss about the triangle. Triangle. There are two words: triangle. Already, I hope that maybe know that already it was discussed in the class 6, class 5, class 4. So this triangle means we are studying since the class 2 or 3rd. Okay, so triangle, but not more. At least we are knowing its name, triangle. Okay, so basically, what is a triangle? Triangle, it is a closed figure. It is a type of polygon which is made with the 3 line segment. Okay, friends, 3 line segment. So there are 3 sides, 3 vertex, that is a closed figure. So we can say that is a triangle. In this triangle there are 3 vertex, 3 sides, and 3 angles also form. So now in detail we will know about only about the area, perimeter, these all things. Okay, in mensuration we will discuss only its area or perimeter. Okay, its volume. So if I talk about perimeter, that already we know the sum of boundary. Okay, students, what the figure is given, what the shape is given, doesn't matter. Matter is that what the total sum of its boundary. Okay, that is perimeter. Okay, students. So we will discuss about area. If I talk about area, basically as area, if we will find out the area of a triangle, we will do ahead of the length of 1/2 into base into height, a square units. Area always will be in the square units. Be careful. Okay, area, square units, perimeter as same as the given units, and the volume meter cube, cubic units. So see, area is equal to 1/2 into base into height, a square unit. If I talk about area of right triangle, ट्रायंगल जो बनता है बेटा, ठीक है, राइट ट्रायंगल क्या होता है, इसमें 90 डिग्री एंगल फॉर्म करते हैं, उसमें क्या होता है 1/2 into प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स साइड्स, एरिया इज देयर, सो वी विल राइट एज इट इज अ स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. So next thing is that area of an equilateral triangle. So what is area of equilateral triangle? Is equal to √3/4 into side a square. √3/4 into side a square. What the side is will be given, that side square. Next is the Heron's formula. Students, in Heron's formula, what is there? In Heron's formula, simple S. Do you know what is S? S is equal to semi-perimeter. S is equal to semi-perimeter. That S is equal to 1/2 into A plus B plus C. 1/2 into A plus B plus C. So, in the triangle where A, B, C, all sides A, B, C, the form is given, in such conditions you will find out first of all semi-perimeter. Okay, and after that to find the area, it means before to find the area you have to find out the semi-perimeter, so that the value of S will be given until or unless find the semi-perimeter of the triangle, you will be not able to find out the area of triangle. Okay, so S is equal to 1/2 into A plus B plus C, and if I need area of triangle we will consider, so root under S into S minus A. S into S minus A. What is A? A is the side of a triangle. What is B? Side of a triangle. What is C? Side of a triangle, which is given. Okay, students. So these all things will be given in the question. A, B, C, all sides of the triangle will be given. In such circumstances, you have to find the area of triangle. Okay, students. So area of triangle is equal to root under S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So after that, S already you know very well. Now proceed circle. Next topic is circle. Okay. If I talk about circle, what is circle? It is already explained in the geometry, but this is few parts is given in the mensuration too. So in if I talk about circle, so circle we can say that a closed figure which is enclosed by a collection of points, which is enclosed by a collection of points in a plane and equidistant from its center and equidistant from its center. It means जो center से इसकी जो distance है ना बेटा वो क्या होता है, वो इसकी all around 360 degree angle पे वो क्या होता है, equal होता है. That's why it is here used equidistance. Okay, and is known as circle. The sum of its angle is 360 degree. Already it was said the sum of its angle is 360 degree. So if I talk about as a point, what is point? What is dot? If I talk about it as dot, what is a circle? Exactly. What is its angle? 360 degree. So if now in circle, if I talk about circumference, in circumference, what is circumference? Same as it is the perimeter of a figure. The perimeter of figure is called circumference, but circumference is used in the only in the sense of circle. Okay, in the sense of only circle. See, the perimeter of circle is called circumference. The perimeter of circle is called circumference. Okay, radius. If I talk about radius, what is radius? Already distance from center to its boundary. The distance from its center to its boundary. Okay, students. What is diameter? Diameter just twice of radius. Okay, twice of radius is called diameter. What is formula? If I talk about formula to find the circumference of a circle, then what we will do? Simple, circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Sometimes we put the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7, 22 by 7 or 3.142. Okay, so if 3.14 somewhere in questions may be given apply pi is equal to 3.14. In that circumstances we will apply the value of pi is equal to 3.14. Otherwise you can put the value of 22 by 7 and go ahead. So the next question is that d. What is d? If I talk about d, what is d? D is diameter. D is equal to diameter. To find the diameter, just I told you now diameter is equal to just twice of radius. So 2 into r. Twice of radius, twice it means double. So d is equal to 2 into r. What the radius is given, just we will multiply itself into 2. Then after what the calculation will become, that will be diameter. So next, what is radius? Supposed to be, if I find talk about to find the radius. In such circumstances, to find the radius, what you will do? Simple, you will go ahead with the diameter by 2. Diameter by 2 it means the diameter will be given exactly. The value of diameter may be given. Then after the question say about find the radius. So in such circumstances, what you will do? So divide diameter divided by 2. What the value of diameter is given, that it will be divided by 2. So next, if I talk about pi, you have to find the value of pi. Then in such circumstances, what you will do? Simple, you will do circumference by d. Circumference by d. Circumference by d. D is equal to 2 pi r. D is equal to 2 pi r. So can you write c is equal to 2 r? What is it? C is equal to circumference. Okay. This all about just questions will come whenever you will do the exercise. Already you have prepared. Now this is the recapitulation class, and exactly you are doing very well. It's a part of I'm just recapping. Okay, so whenever you will do the exercise, definitely you will come to know how to solve on the basis of this formula, on the applying of this formula. Okay, so already you will know, already you have learned. In spite of if you will do again, then after you will that portion will be the confirmed in your mind. Okay, so it's not better to do the practice, more confidence. Okay, as we know that, and already I used to say always that more practice, more confidence, more practice, more confidence. So whenever you will do the practice again and again, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, so definitely it will comes in your mind how to solve. Whenever the question will come in front of you, definitely you will answer it without solving the questions. So see, next formula is that area. If I talk about the area of a circle, then what you will do? Simple, pi r a square. R a square. What the value of r is given? R into r. Pi, the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Only 3.14 we will use in the case of somewhere when in the question says just apply the pi. The value of pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. See, next thing is that radius. Radius is equal to root under area by pi. So whenever you have to find the radius in the case area is given, then we will find root under area by pi. Okay students, I hope this is all about the circle and as well as triangle. And I hope that the answer portion already is recapitulated earlier also. For the remaining portion were that we have completed in this video. And as soon as you watch, just comment which chapters should we start in the next. Okay, because already it was intimated. You do one thing, so I will not ask again and again what the remaining portion are there. Just you all of you arrange yourself. Okay, what are the remaining portion? Remaining portions were there in the chapters as a recapitulation. Just you press and comment it in the WhatsApp. Okay, students. So I am waiting for you for the next video, and I hope that tomorrow videos will also delivered by date. Why? Due to the preparation of videos. Okay, already it was said it is not the setup is arranged at my home, and already I am very far away from my home. It was said earlier also. So I used to go somewhere. That's why I used to prepare over there, and after that I used to upload on YouTube. Okay. So whenever you will make a series of the chapters number, how these chapters when it will be started after that. Okay. So in that way I will prepare myself, and I will used to prepare video, upload the video on YouTube. Okay. And very soon, I let you know very soon. I hope that 10 to 15 days I will be somewhere of my out of station. So that's why it's very important to just make a series of the remaining portion, so that I will make a video in advance and upload in the YouTube. Okay, students. Otherwise, your classes will be suspended on that time. So do it fast. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.